Hey guys, welcome to my first tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make an MP3 file on Windows 10. So what you're going to want to do is to go to your search bar and search voice recorder. Now, to make sure that you have the right microphone chosen, you can unplug it and replug it in and see if it works. Or you can go down to your audio settings, click open sound settings, then go to input and you can choose your input device. Now once you change that to the one that you want, you can just click the record. And as you can see, the bars are slightly moving because my microphone is not super good. So once you record that, I'm going to rename it to test. Now I'm going to open the file location. I'm going to drag it to my desktop because that's where I want to put it. Now I'm going to close the voice recorder. Now of course it is not an MP3 yet, it says M4A. So what you're going to want to do is open your browser, search Cloud Convert. Click the first one that pops up. I'm going to switch it to an MP3. And I'm going to convert. Now once it is done converting, you can click the download button, save as. It is now saved as an MP3. As you can see, I have two of them now. I'm going to delete the M4A. Record. And as you can see, the bars are slightly moving because of my mic. So you could hear that audio, so it is an MP3. Now there is no video to it, so you can add your own video. That's how you make an MP3 on Windows 10.